this video is about long division. A lot of people struggle with the division thing. There are two different methods from which we can do that. One is long division and the another one is bus method. I'll use both of them, so I hope you will understand. So here this question says 2464 divided by 8. So it is 2484 divided by 8, and same thing here, 2484 divided by 8. Now to solve the division problem you must be knowing the timetables. So we need the timetable of 8 here, so it's 8, 16, 24 and 80 in the end. So let's begin with the long division. We have to check the first number. How many 8 will go in 2? As I will see the table of 8, the first number in the table of 8 is bigger than the 2, so 8 cannot go in 2. So we will start with a 0, but we actually didn't divide it 2, so now we will extend it from 2 to 24, and we got a 0. Once we cannot divide the number, we move to the next number and we write a 0 at that point. How many 8 will go in 24? I think I can see 24, so it's 1, 2, 3. 3 8s give you 24. Now we will minus it, so to check do we have any remainder. 24 minus 24 is 0, there is no remainder. Now we need to bring the next value down, which is 8, and we will check how many 8 gives you 8. So it's the first one I can see. 8 times 1 is 8, minus, to see if there is any remainder, 8 minus 8 is 0, no remainder. Now we will bring the 4 down, and here we have 4. How many 8 will go in 4? 0, because 4 is smaller than 8. But we can't leave it as a remainder. We need a 0 more with a decimal. So now 4 turned into 40, and we can divide it now further. How many 8 gives you 40? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 40. Remainder is 0, nothing left, so that's the answer. If we do the same thing here in the bus method, we do the same thing, but we just don't write it here. So everything is working in our mind. How many 8 goes into 0? Now we'll extend it to 24. How many 8 goes in 24? We'll cancel it. 8 times 3 is 24. Then we'll go to the next one. How many 8 goes in 8? It's just 1. We'll cancel it, no remainder. Now we'll go to 4. How many 8 goes in 4? 0. We need more numbers here. When I give this extra 0, I bring a decimal. How many 8 goes in 40? 8 times 5 is 40. So it's the same thing, 310.5. Let's do another example. So this time it's 1596 divided by 6. How many 6? We will do the bus method first. How many 6 will go in 1? 1 is smaller than 6, so it's a 0. We'll extend it to 15. How many 6 will go in 15? If I take 6 or 12 or 18, 18 is bigger, 12 is smaller, so I will take 12. I have to take the highest one possible. Okay, so 6 times 2 is 12. Out of 15 I got 12. Is there any remainder? Yes, there is. 15 minus 12 is 3. Now we have 39. How many 6 will go in 39? Which one we will choose? If I'll go to 42, that's bigger. If I go to 36, that's smaller, but I'll take 36, the biggest product, but smaller than 39. 6 times 6 is 36. Remainder is 3. Now How many 6 goes in 36? Do we have 36 in the table of 6? Oh, we have it, exactly 36. 6 times 6 is 36, and there is no remainder, so the answer is 236. We do the same thing in a long division method. How many 6 will go in 1, 0? How many 6 will go in 15? 6 times 2 is 12. 15 minus 12, remainder is 3. See, here we wrote the remainder next to the number, and here we wrote below it. So now we'll carry down 9. So it's 39. 6 times 6 will go in 39, which is 36. Remainder is 3. And I will bring down 6, which is 36 again. 6 times 6 is 36. And 36 minus 36 is 0. There is no remainder, so there is no decimal number in the answer. The quotient is 266. This is how we do long division method. You can do the bus method as well. It's the same thing, but long division is written in a long way. Bus method is looks a little bit shorter than the long method. Anyways, I hope you guys will understand with this topic. In case if you want me to solve something else, let me know in the comments. Have a nice day.